Hi guys, this is Emmett the Alpha Builder. Let's talk about something. I I just recently got a real estate agent that's a friend of mine. Of course, you guys know that I sold my personal house, and I had a guy I knew that pretty much he does a lot of houses in this area. His name is Drew. He's the king of Oak Mountain area, man. So I hired him to sell my house, which he sold my house. Great job, Drew. Thanks, man. But I had another real estate agent that was a friend of mine, really good friend of mine. She, we talk a lot. Sometimes I call her, ask her how the market is going, and we kind of go in the lab and try to figure this thing out. I've been knowing her for years, man. I've been knowing her probably, man, a good little while ago, a long time. And she, when I was talking about, I was talking to her and I was telling her, my house sold and, we trying to finish up the other house, etc. But I can sense that she had an issue and she was a little irritated. And come to find out, she was irritated that I didn't use her as the real estate agent to list my properties. And she was really irritated. She let me know about it. She said, "Hey, look, you could have let me do, I could have done that." So this is how this thing works, guys. If you're a builder, this is how it works for me. I'm going to go to the person who's the most connected in the area that I'm building in. This is business. The most connected person in my area, or if there's a market that I'm in, or that someone is really good at a particular market, that's who I'm going to go to. There's a person in town that she's really good in the upper millions, $2-3 million homes. Everybody goes to her. It is what it is. Because they're connected at that market. They have a good connection, man. They know people that's in that market, etc. I mean, we can keep, but at the end of the day, guys, it's business. It's not about me being your friend and your buddy or something like that, and me knowing you and things like that, man. At the end of the day, I have a business to run, and I'm paying interest on this house. I'm paying interest. And what you don't want to have to deal with is you're not selling my house and I'm continuing to pay interest. I don't think you want to feel that wrath from me. I don't think she would want to feel that. I don't think she could take the wrath from me, as I think that, because, it is what it is. Because if I'm sitting here paying $3,000, this house right here cap out very easily at $3,000 to $4,000 a month. Interest payments to the bank. Every month that I sit on this right here, this is profit that I'm losing, $3,000 a month. And you're not selling, but at the end of the day, a real estate agent, you're going to get your commission whether you sell it on time or not. This is what we have to deal with. So, hey, look, man, you got to understand that. And, and not only that, man, especially if you're a friend of mine, we probably won't be friends very long. It'll really be bad. So you have to, real estate agents, man, y'all got to get over this stuff, man. I mean, if I don't pick you as a real estate agent, I just didn't pick you. But there's a reason that I pick my guys. There's a reason I have certain guys that helps me. In this area right here, I thought that the guy that I had is very good. He's very savvy. I've been tracking this guy for years. I know him. I know him just like, well, not as long as I've known her, but you can't be mad if I made a executive decision in my business to pick somebody that I thought could do a good job. And if you're worried about one or two houses I give you, you really got a problem. I mean, it is what it is, guys. But at the end of the day, man, this is business, man. And not only that, man, you got to be You know, because if you can't get this thing sold, man, I'm snatching that listing away and give it to somebody else. Or I'm just gonna word the dog devil out you, man, until you get it sold. And I don't think you want to get that from me. All right, guys, I just thought I had to get that off my mind, guys. At the end of the day, it is what it is. And this is the way.
Where do you go?